Hi, welcome to Always Eclectic Stacy. You're in our Always Eclectic Chemistry, and today we're talking about the description of ionic bonds in our ionic bonding series. Ready, set, let's ionize. Hi, and welcome back to Always Eclectic Stacy. We're in our ionic bonding series, and today's big question is, how are ionic bonds described? So, ionic bonds are described by several things. So, the nature of attraction is the non-metal, which is always more electronegative than the metal, will take the electron from the metal, causing opposite attract situation. Meaning you're basically making magnets. It's stealing the electrons of the metal becomes positive, the non-metal becomes negative, and they stick together. The placement of bonds, the electrons are owned by the more electronegative non-metal. It transfers to that orbital shell. There's no directionality because there's no bond shape. Call it something called a lattice energy, and we'll talk about that soon. Because it's not polar, it is a fully ionic bond. And the polarity, the greater electronegative atom has a negative charge. It's a completely polar bond, which means it is an ionic bond. It completely removes the electron from one atom to the other. Thank you so much for watching Always Eclectic Stacy. If you like this content, please do not forget to check out our other videos and like and subscribe. Have a great day.